Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the essential features of the Ready America 70180 72-hour emergency kit, designed to keep you safe and prepared for any disaster. This compact and portable one-person, 3-day backpack is packed with everything you need for emergency preparedness, including basic supplies recommended by the American Red Cross. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive first aid kit with essentials for treating minor injuries, making it perfect for your car or boat. The kit also includes a 2,400-calorie survival food bar, water pouches with a 5-year shelf life, survival blankets, and more, ensuring you're covered in any situation. For added safety, it comes with disposable dust masks, nitrile gloves, a whistle, ponchos, and even a safety light stick for those dark, wilderness adventures. This lightweight backpack is easy to carry and store, making it a convenient choice for camping, hiking, or keeping at home. Whether you're preparing for an earthquake, fire, or flood, this emergency kit is a thoughtful gift for anyone looking to stay ready for the unexpected. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.